The storm is past, the sky is gray, but echoes of you still remain. The scent of love that used to stay now drifts like smoke across the pane. I've learned to breathe where you once were, to find my peace inside the blur, and walk through nights without your name. After the rain I start again, with fragile hope and softer hands. The scars you left have turned to light, they guide me through the endless night. I lost your love but found my soul, in every tear that made me whole. The pain has washed, but still I see